I go and stay with friends downtown, and I shop at the Salvation Army for clothes, and I live with artists, and I get a book, a yoga book that I found for 10 cents. And then I just picked the book. That was a very precious thing. I was discovering a dimension. It was like, it was something that was empowering. It was first time that I was not like a sinner or whatever. I was God. I was not belonging to a religion, never. It never happened to me to think about this, that I was Christian or whatever. I just had a personal relationship with Jesus. The best description, if you want to understand me, is more chasing a butterfly than an intellectual journey. As I say, I'm a tripper, because for me, the drugs and all this went out of my life very quickly. I loved it. I would not change a minute of this, but very rapidly when I discovered meditation and all this, I said, "Oh, this is the way.
Drug.
This is the way. This is something that I will, take off and without the day after, without hangover, because I like to feel.
Yeah.
It's intimate, There's a future there. That was my intuition,